In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a collage video in CapCut. Creating a video collage is a fantastic way to showcase multiple moments, perspectives, or visuals in a single frame. Whether you're piecing together highlights from an event, combining creative visuals, or layering clips for a unique storytelling effect, CapCut makes the process simple and intuitive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to design a polished and professional-looking video collage. If you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to download it and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once you're in, click the Import button to add your media files. This is where you'll bring in all the videos and images you want to use for your collage. Think of this as gathering all the pieces of a puzzle. Once your media is imported, you'll want to set up the timeline. Start by dragging your main video clip onto the base timeline track. This clip will act as the background canvas for your collage. After that, drag any additional videos or images onto the tracks above the main timeline. These will create layers on top of your background, which is what gives the effect of a collage by visually stacking the clips. Now that your media is in place, let's move on to adjusting the clips and creating your collage layout. Click on one of the overlay clips. These are the clips or images you've placed on the tracks above the base timeline. To make positioning easier, adjust the opacity of the overlay clip, setting it to about 50%. Lowering the opacity makes the clip semi-transparent, so you can clearly see the background and align everything properly. Once you've done that, use your mouse to resize and move the overlay clip to your desired position. The goal here is to make sure all your clips and images are arranged in a way that looks balanced and harmonious. Once you're happy with the placement of the clip, restore its opacity back to 100% to make it fully visible again. You'll want to repeat this process for each of the overlay clips. Adjust the opacity, position the clip, and then bring the opacity back to 100%. This step-by-step method ensures all your clips are neatly positioned and that the overall layout of your collage is visually cohesive. Keep in mind, you can always tweak the positions or experiment with different layouts if something doesn't look quite right. And now, for the final part, it's time to review and add some finishing touches. Take a moment to play through the entire collage layout and make any necessary adjustments to the positioning or sizing of your clips. The goal here is to make sure your collage feels balanced and that every element is clear and easy to see. Once everything looks good, you can experiment with creative options to add some flair. Try out effects, add text overlays, or include transitions between clips. These elements can help elevate the overall storytelling and make your collage even more engaging. And that's how you create a stunning collage video in CapCut. By following these steps, you've learned how to import media, layer clips, adjust their layout, and add creative finishing touches to make your project stand out. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.